Hello everyone, in this video lecture we will discuss about the nerve ending and synaptic cleft and synaptic nerve. This is the structure of nerve ending neuron. Axon has the nerve ending portion and there is a synaptic vessels present, synaptic vessel, postsynaptic, presynaptic vessels present, and inside it the synaptic cleft is present, and here neurotransmitters are present. These are the neurotransmitters and some receptors also present here. Now when nerve impulse transmitted from cell body towards the axon and it comes at the nerve ending, and from the here impulses are transmitted from one neuron to the another. Then how this conduction takes place according to here, what means by synapse? Synapse is formed by the membrane of a presynaptic neuron and postsynaptic neuron. Pre and postsynaptic neuron combine together and form a synapse, which may or may not be separated by a gap, that is the synaptic cleft. Here is a gap between pre and postsynaptic membrane. When we discuss about the type of synapse, there are the two types of synapse. First one is electric synapse and second one is electrical and chemical. Two types of synapse are there. In case of electrical synapse, here current can flow directly from one neuron to the another across the membrane, across the synaptic membrane. Here in case of electrical neuron, transmission of an impulse across the electrical impulse is very similar to impulse conduction along a single axon. Here impulse transmission across an electrical impulse is always faster than the across a chemical synapse, and these electrical synapses rarely present in our system. Mostly this chemical synapse present in our body, and this one is the figure of chemical synapse. In case of chemical synapse, pre and postsynaptic vessels are present, and here a synaptic cleft also present between the pre and post. In case of chemical synapse, chemicals present inside it known as neurotransmitter. Here some chemicals are present, these are known as neurotransmitters. As the name neurotransmitters, these help to transmit the impulses from one neuron to the another neuron, and axon terminal contain some synaptic vessels. These are the synaptic vessels that release the impulses and that also release the neurotransmitters that release out from vesicles to the membrane of the synaptic cleft, and these synaptic cleft receive the chemical impulse that are transmitted from cell body towards the axon, and here receptors are present. These receptors help to receive these neurotransmitters, and after receive these neurotransmitter, it can transmit it towards the another neuron synaptic membrane. Suppose this one is the another neuron synaptic membrane, and that also have a special type of receiver and receptors. That receptor receive the chemical impulse from one neuron to another synapse, and then conduction of impulse takes place from one neuron to the another. Okay, thanks to all.